Another fish, but the smallest one of the day. And he is gut hooked really bad. That's not good. That's impossible to get out. Yeah, it's bad. I can't. Damn. It's like his mouth is too small to like get it out of. I'm gonna cut the line maybe. I'll get pliers, but yeah, I might do the thing that you did last time.
What? Pulling it out? Yeah.
You did that last time.
No, I got my
Oh, that was crazy. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Get him. Oh shit, I can't believe you got one there.
Let's go.
Holy shit, no way you got one right there, bro. Yo, you see how he ate that? That's a nice one. Wanna weigh him?
Yeah, I'm gonna weigh him.
Yeah, I have a scale if you want that.
Yeah, bro.
That's a good one. That's a good one, bro.
Solid. I didn't even notice the fish ate at first.
That was a good bite. You should post that, bro. Oh, that's good. 2.82.
Sure. Let me see. Let me get that. Hold on. Let me redo this. First bite on the chatterbait today.
That was a good bite, bro. That's crazy. I didn't think there was one there. Huh. That would have been bad. You got one though. Oh, I see it. Yeah, we need to get that, bro. How do we get that? Damn, I missed that one. Going. That's a decent one. That's a good one. Yo, he's fighting, bro. Let's go. Come on, don't come off, please. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one, bro. Yo, I think this one's bigger than yours. I think this is a 3. Oh, let's go! Let's get the scale. I haven't caught one this big in so long, bro. He felt good. He's fine. Oh, let's go, baby! Like almost a 3-4. Let's go. Let's go. 3.35. There we go, baby. Biggest one for me. You don't catch many like this in here, so. All right. Goes 3.35. Let's go. I'm so happy I caught one. Yo, every time. Wait, I just noticed like both of those were in the same spot basically. Yeah, I haven't caught one like that since like last year. That's my biggest one on the Fluke. That's good that they're biting though. No! Bro, I think that was my fish. And he broke me off. Yeah. Bro, he broke me off and he jumped afterwards. I don't know why I lose them so much. Yo, like, oh my God, they're going crazy right now. Like, I don't know why I keep breaking off of bass. It might be my leader. Might be too small. My leader. there, bro. There's another small one. Small, very small. There we go. Very, very small one. What the? Nice. Another one.